Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to buy Solana on your Phantom wallet. Make sure to watch this video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So this is going to be very simple and easy since Phantom's main currency is under the Solana blockchain. All you have to do is open your main homepage for Solana, and then from here you're going to go on your Phantom wallet and click on buy. Once you go to buy, it's going to tell you to get started and search for a token. So Solana is going to be one of the main options. Simply click it. And then from here, as you can see, you can decide however much amount you would like to choose. So for example, if I say $5, then it's going to give me the options to buy for. And so from here, it's going to ask me to fill in my debit or credit card. Once you do that, click on continue. And then from here, it's going to show me the transfer method. And so from here, you can select whichever currency. So for example, in my region, I'm going to select euros, and you can make the purchase amount higher. So for example, 10 euros. And then from here, click on continue. And then from here, it's going to ask you to verify your device so that make sure that you are the owner of the account purchasing from this phone. And then from here, once the device is verified, going to click on use this wallet. And then from here, it's going to load and then ask for your credit card or your debit card information. The second you fill it, it's going to buy it and transfer it directly to your account. And as you can see, it's going to show exactly like this, where you're going to add Solana to your Phantom wallet and it's going to show succeed. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.